Simple but convenient free breakfast and near ferry terminal, train station and Yamato Museum. Cycling. I cycled from the Tobishima Kaido and Shiminami Kaido, and staff made me very welcome and have facilities to keep your bike in the lobby. Great location close to station, shops, museum and pedestrian walkways. Rooms were comfortable. Good breakfast with many options and fast, clean service. The location was great and rooms were comfortable and fairly generous for Japan. Would definitely stay again. Exceptional. As I was only here literally to sleep one night, I did not experience all the hotel might have had to offer. What I did get was, hotel was very serious about reducing COVID and other germs. For example, the check-in system was pretty much self-service, as was the checkout service. My room selection came with free breakfast. Breakfast wasn't spectacular, but it had a nice variety of Japanese and Western options. Overall, it was a good place to stay if you're not expecting 5-star Hilton-type experiences or services. The price was pretty good for a reservation made 2 nights before. Cost. The room is overpriced for its size. Excellent. Very good.